print what? Print what means what type of data you want to print. If I say print document, it means it will print document. Document means entire data of document will printed on screen. But if we say control P print document properties, it will print document properties only, not data. We can look here, properties are printed. Now how we can set these properties? For this we'll go to file, office button, prepare, and here are the document properties. We can set all these properties from here. We have to enter author name here, title, subject, keyword, category, status, and here we will write comment. Now save this file from here or from here. All these properties has been set. Now again we will press Ctrl P or we'll click here from print. Now if we say print properties, okay, it will print properties, all properties that we set. Can look here, all the properties are here that we set. Beside this, some inbuilt properties are also here. It is the time of making this file, creation of this file, date of creation, time of creation, number of changes, save time, and total editing time. Everything is recorded in the description of this file. So with the help of these options, document will print data and properties will print properties of the document. If you want to print both these things simultaneously, we will go to option, and here is print document properties. Okay and okay. So it will print data and properties simultaneously. It is data and these are the properties. So both things we can print together, but we have to keep this option off. Okay, so like this we can print document data, document properties, and both, and we can set properties of a document. One more thing is print all pages, means it will print all pages. If I say all pages, it will print all pages. All pages means first to 7, all pages are printed. But if we say print odd pages means it will print 1, 3rd, 5th, and 7. 1, 3rd, 5th, and 7. And if we say print even pages, then it will print even pages like this, 2, 4, 6. So what type of format of pages you want to print, even pages, odd pages, all pages, we can select from here. Now copies, number of copies we can select from here. If we say we want to print 2 copies of this set, we will say 2, okay, and say 2 copies. So it is 1 copy, and second copy is not printed because it is not real printer. When we will print this data on real printer, this command will go to that printer 2 times. So 2 copies of this file will printed. but here only one copy will be shown. If we say print to set and this option is call it, we can keep this option on or off. If this option is on, in that case it will print first complete set of one complete set and then second complete set. But if we keep this option off, it will print like this: first page 2 copy, then second page 2 copy, then third page 2 copy. Means every page copy will be printed number of these times. If there are 3 set, in that case first page will printed 3 times, then second page 3 copies of second page, then third, and triple set we have to make manually. But if this option on, then first complete set of all pages created, and then second set of file will print, and then third set of file will print. No need to arrange pages in a set manually. But if this option is off, we have to set all the pages in a sequence manually. So these are the command to set number of copies and to set option how we want to get print data in a set or separate pages. Now we will do option.